Hi guys, welcome to today's video, and today is a bit special because it is made for French, not French only because it's great listening practice, but I have a lot of French students and I thought it would be good to highlight the common mistakes, the common questions that I have in YouTube videos. So I hope you're going to like them. Please subscribe, like, comment. I would love to see your feedbacks for the video. And I'm going to speak a little bit French, explain things in French as well, so it's a bit easier for you. And if you have no idea how to start studying English, you can first follow all the videos that I'm making, and you can download my 8-week planner for free. Et je voulais faire une petite dédicace aujourd'hui à Morgan. Morgan, hi, I hope you're watching this video and thank you so much. He's 5 years old and he's learning English and he is great at it. Donc cette première vidéo va être spécifique pour les faux amis. In English we have lots of French words and in French we have similar words but they don't mean the same. Souvent on a des faux amis et la définition du coup n'est pas du tout la même en anglais et en français, ça veut dire des choses complètement différentes. Let's start with the first one. The first one that I have for you is currently and actually. Pay attention to the pronunciation as well. Actually. Currently means now, at the moment. Actually means in fact, really. So actually doesn't mean actuellement. Okay, actuellement is currently. I know it's confusing. The second false friend, faux ami, that I have is to rest. To rest, rester en français, means to stay in English. So to rest in French means to stay, but in English is going to be to relax. Okay, take a nap, relax, I'm just resting, I'm relaxing. Be careful if you want to say je reste à la maison. In English it's going to be I'm staying home. So I'm staying to stay, but not to rest. False friend number 3. Faux ami numéro 3. Bras and bras. So un bras in French is that, un bras. But in English a bras means un soutien-gorge. So quite different. So don't say bras in English. When you want to talk about this is called an arm in English. Okay, in French, when you want to say une affaire, un business, une affaire, in English is going to be a business, but not an affair. An affair in English is when two people are married and one of the couple sees another person. Okay, so it's a relationship, an extra relationship. So, an affair, en anglais, c'est une liaison avec une autre personne. Donc, rien à voir avec une affaire, un business. Okay? Be careful. So, you don't want to ask people, how is your affair? Because that would be weird. Especially if the husband or the wife is beside. Now, another one is characters. Characters. En français, si on dit un caractère, c'est un caractère, c'est une personnalité. Mais en anglais, a character is a person playing in a movie or a character of a book. So just be careful with characters. In English, if you want to talk about le caractère, you would say temper, probably. Okay, an important one, eventually. Eventually. So in French, when you want to say éventuellement, it's not eventually in English. Eventually means finally, and eventually we ended up talking all night. We ended up talking all night. And in the end, we ended up talking all night. So if you want to say éventuellement, you would say very simply, possibly. Okay, éventuellement, possibly in English. Now, this one I love. If you want to talk about your routine, you say you have habits. My habits are I wake up at 8, I run 2 times a week, I speak English all the time, that's my habit, my routine. But un habit, en français, is clothes. So just be careful, a habit in English is your routine and not un habit, okay? If you want to talk about les habits, just say clothes, very easy. Another one that is quite fun is a journey. a journey, comme une journée, but a journey in English is a travel, un voyage. A journey to go to Paris. Donc le voyage, le trajet pour aller jusqu'à Paris. But if you want to say une journée, it's just a day, a day. Another one is réunion, reunion in English, reunion. A reunion is a group of people, friends, family, gathering for Christmas, specific celebrations, something special. Donc une réunion, reunion, en anglais, c'est juste un moment particulier où la famille, les amis se regroupent pour fêter quelque chose de spécial. Mais a reunion, mais une réunion d'affaires, ça va être a meeting. A meeting. This one, sensible, sensitive. Okay, si on veut dire en français je suis sensible, you would say I'm sensitive. I'm sensitive. Because to be sensible in English, to be sensible means reasonable. Si on dit en anglais I'm sensible, c'est être plutôt raisonnable. Je suis assez raisonnable. Mais si on veut dire que je suis sensible, the feelings, then it's I'm sensitive. The last one is quite funny, les tongs and tongue. Okay, it's the same word more or less. The tongue is in your mouth and les tongs en français is flip-flops in English. Flip-flops. So don't be confused if you hear tongues in English. It just means this. To create the TH sound in English, you need to place your tongue between your teeth. Like that. But you don't wear flip-flops in your mouth. That's not possible. I hope this was helpful. It's a bit strange to speak French here, but I hope you like it. Tell me in the comments. It's not something I'm going to do all the time, but once a month I will post videos where I speak a little bit French for beginners. I think it's very helpful and maybe a bit less impressive as well. So I hope I'll see you guys in the next video and yeah, have a great day. Bye!